'Cause that's what cool people do.
Biscuit, do you have hiccups? Hey, baby. Look at the hiccups. Oh. Aww. Aww. You're not sure how you feel about that one? Oh! You scared me. What? Really cold. We're at the storage unit. Can you tell? Stopped by Sleeping Tiger. Got to see James. Bought some awesome stuff, so I'll have to show you guys. One of the things is right there. They got me this really awesome sweater thing. And then I got some other stuff. And then I got a couple things for Evie. I got a dream catcher for her, and then a blue glittery dragon thing. But I'm going to take a picture of the glittery dragon in a couple days because it's going to be blue again. So, anyway, really cold. I can't feel my fingers. I've been taking a lot of pictures. They're all like texture stuffs, so I'm gonna be doing those on my stock account on DeviantArt. I'm tired. I just realized that I don't remember my password to the stock account again. I saved it, so it better show that it's saved, but it probably didn't. Anyway, just waiting for Dad to get done. I got 4 of my boxes. I don't like bringing too much with me at once, because it's just overwhelming. There's probably going to be like half of the stuff in these boxes that I'm not even going to want anymore. But there's stuff in all of them that I want. So. And the one is latchhook, so. Which is what I was wanting. I thought there were 3 boxes of latchhook, but there's only 1. There is a thing full of cross-stitch, or not cross-stitch, latchhook yarn at the house, I remember. So that might have been one of the boxes that I thought. It's gotta be, because I think there was other craft stuff, and I ended up bringing that one with me last time we came up, that I came up with them. So, maybe I only had 2 boxes. I thought there was 3, but maybe it was only 2. And so I got this one. Because this one has my project in it that I was working on, so I can finally latch hook again. I don't know if I'll ever finish that thing, actually. Because now that I got it, and I'm like, yeah, now I can finally do it, I'm probably not going to do it. It takes so long to do it. It's fun, but it just takes a long time. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. I'm so cold. I can't feel my fingers. Seriously? Who does that? Look guys, my other 2 packs that I wanted came. It's a bunch of oranges and yellows. That one's a bunch of pastels. Somewhere among that pile of white is an Alex. Hi! Some guy came into work today, or not today, it was earlier this week, and he spent over $200 in like feminine hair care and skincare products. And I was just kind of like, this is weird. But then I thought, well, maybe he's like starting or running his own little personal hair salon or something. But like, I don't understand why he needed tampons. But whatever. Anyways, it was just really weird. Like, he said nothing to me, but he just had all this stuff. And I'm just there like, I hope he's just running a hair salon. I guess if he is, then I guess it would make sense why he had tampons if he just decided to have them in the bathroom in case someone needs them. That would make sense, but it still seems kind of weird. Just as weird as that older, weird guy that smelled like garlic really bad who came in and bought a package of condoms. Oh, the strange things that happen at work. Anyway, it is Saturday night. It's actually 1 in the morning. How did that happen? And I finished building that, as you saw. It's a lovely little thing. And I'm going to go to bed. I'm not sure what's happening tomorrow, but I'm going to go to bed. So I will see you all next week. And I hope you all have a wonderful night, / morning, / whatever it is, wherever you are. I will see you all next week. Bye-bye, mangosteens. Bye-bye. Bye.
Across the ocean waves, by your side, I'd lie for 1,000 days. Keep it bright, your soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this maze.